Today, we're diving into the world of black cardamom, a spice that is gaining popularity in the culinary and cocktail scenes. Black cardamom, also known as badian or bara, is a close relative of the green cardamom pod, but with a few key differences. Is not just used in Indian dishes but also used across the globe. Rich in antioxidants, it also can fight diverse kinds of cancer. Black cardamom is native to the eastern regions of the Himalayas and is a crucial ingredient in Indian, Nepalese, and Bangladeshi cuisines. Its distinct smoky and earthy flavor sets it apart from the sweeter, more aromatic green cardamom. The pods are larger and darker in color, with a rough, wrinkled appearance. In addition to its culinary uses, black cardamom is also used in traditional Indian medicine and as a breath freshener. So, the next time you're looking to add a unique twist to your dishes or cocktails, don't forget about this intriguing spice. Let us take a look at some of its other health benefits in culinary uses. 1. Black cardamom, unlock the secret to glowing skin. Sparkles discover the amazing benefits of black cardamom for all skin types. Rich in antioxidants, it combats skin-damaging free radicals, revealing a radiant complexion. Anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritations, reducing redness and swelling. Black cardamom also regulates sebum production, keeping acne at bay and controlling excess oil. Experience the transformation for yourself. Embrace the power of black cardamom for healthy, gorgeous skin. 2. Boost your sleep quality with black cardamom. Discover the secret to a better sleep schedule with black cardamom. This powerful spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote healthy sleep. Incorporating black cardamom into your bedtime routine can help you fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling refreshed. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of black cardamom? Try adding it to your evening tea or incorporate it into your favorite desserts. You can even use it to create a soothing sleep-inducing diffuser blend. 3. Conquer indigestion with black cardamom. Are you tired of dealing with improper indigestion? Black cardamom. This amazing spice has been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues and promote a healthy gut. Incorporate black cardamom into your daily routine with these simple tips. Add it to your meals, brew a warm cup of cardamom tea, or create a delightful spice blend for your favorite dishes. Don't let indigestion hold you back any longer. 4. Black cardamom boasts a robust, smoky flavor. Use black cardamom lies in its ability to cleanse the body by aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and purifying the blood. Rich in antioxidants, it battles harmful free radicals, promoting overall health and wellness. 5. Cardamom, a popular spice, is known to lower blood pressure. Include it in your recipes or enjoy it as a tea to potentially reduce hypertension. 6. Uncover the secret weapon against cancer cells, the powerful compounds in cardamom. This versatile spice boosts our body's natural defenses by increasing enzyme activity and enhancing the potency of natural killer cells. 7. Cardamom, a popular spice, has been known to help with anxiety issues. We'll explore the potential benefits of cardamom for anxiety relief and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing anxiety naturally. Cardamom may help with anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Incorporate it into your daily routine for potential benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribers, share with close friends and family.